Hey y'all, I know it's been a while. I'm always busy. Y'all know I help do a little farm and kids, school, husband, just family life. I do a video when I can, and I appreciate all y'all that has stuck it out with me. But today I got a package in through the mail from my cousin in Rhode Island, and I know what it is. It's jewelry. And the reason why I say that, because they don't call her the bling queen for nothing. But if she decides that she wants y'all to know her length and all, she'll put that all in on my Facebook group page. So look out for that if she does it. But when I get back home, I'm gonna open that box and y'all can see what she sent me. I'm excited to see. So I'm gonna get on off here and I will see you back at my house. So guys, here's my bling box and I want to open it up with y'all. So here we go. Guys, there is so much stuff and I am just ready to share with y'all. This is the first piece. This is a necklace that she has sent. Let me turn the earrings around so y'all can see. Uh-oh. Come on now. There we go. Alright. And I reckon you would call this, what, bronze or copper? Look at the details. With a nice shirt, pair of jeans, you could rock it. I'm going to set this over to the side very carefully. And let's see the next one. Now these, y'all, super cool. They look to me like shark teeth. I just love the black. It looks like black onyx. It's just different. I ain't never seen a pair of earrings like that before. That is super cool. I can't wait to wear them. All of this stuff. I think you would call this pink crackle. And it's a beautiful color pink. Now, I love me some pink, y'all. And that's super cute. And there is, let's see. Let me get something else. I'm going to put this over to the side. Now, a lot of this jewelry you could just wear with a pair of jeans and a nice t-shirt. Oh, wow, y'all. This is so pretty. I just love the design. I love the color of the pink. Ooh, it looks like a mirror, kind of like. What do y'all think? I just love the design. The pink is just so pretty to me. Look at the cracks in the pink. And you know what? There's a pair, these earrings right here. They look like peacock earrings. Look. And that would go so good with this bracelet. Uh-oh, let me move that out of the way. Now that looks perfect together. Y'all, this looks, now that's green. See the green? And you can actually see my ceiling fan. And then the leaves on the side makes it look antique-like. Super cute. I love it. I love the way it looks. Very unique. This is different too. This looks almost like somebody made this themselves as far as craft-like. It has this green, yellow, and orange. That is really cute. What do y'all think? I mean, it has fall colors in them. Gotta wear them on a cold night. Whew. These are cute. I really like these. They're flowers. What would you call it? Like a copper or bronze color. Look at the detail in the middle. And the flower is just not perfectly shaped. The petals. What do y'all think about this pair? I'm telling you, she sells some nice jewelry. Oh, wow. Now look at these. Now this is a rock star. I could wear these to Las Vegas, y'all. I really like these. Like in a diamond, let's see, diamond accent. Kind of bling bling. The length probably is shoulder length from your earring down to your shoulder. Those are super cute. I definitely will be rocking them. Now my favorite color is yellow, y'all. These are, let's see if I can get them to stand. Now, everything that I've seen here is so unique to me. These pair of earrings, $5. That's it, $5. And they're not cheaply made either, but they're not heavy. They're very light. Bracelets. Here's another bracelet she sent me. Very cute. They would look really, really good with the earrings I just showed you. The Rockstar earrings, I call them. Let's see. Yep. Those look really good, y'all. These. Las Vegas wear. Now that has some shine to them. See all the colors? Looks like a flower, don't it? Oh, the colors are so pretty. There's a lot of stuff in this box, y'all. Oh, wow. I love stuff like this. I love feathered or anything like metal feathered, the feather earrings. I just love earrings like this. Now, I'm going to show you. You see the feathers? Let me get that one out. Now this is really, really nice. I like that. That is like, I can wear that with just about anything. And I believe my daughter has a pair, the orange, that I have the brown. I know my daughter got the orange. And that one was very, very pretty. Melissa girl, you are killing it. You are killing it. Now I did get a brown pair from my cousin, and she sent the white pair to me. And this is more like the leather stitched. Do you see the stitching? I like that. I like things like that. It looks handmade. Very nice. I love the feeling of it. And they are, all these earrings, they look heavy, but they're not. They are very, very lightweight. Ooh, I like that. That is really, really cute. Now I think that, I don't know, would that look right with that? Or is it too dark? No, that looks good. What do y'all think? Wear them earrings with the bracelet. Oh, very, very cute. What do y'all think? Now, Melissa, my cousin, she goes live on Wednesdays and Sundays. She does fun games like Blingo. She does a lot of giveaways. She just has a lot of fun. So I'm going to be sharing her lives in my private group page. If y'all are interested in Paparazzi, the jewelry, $5 a piece, free giveaways, games, lots of fun, y'all should join. Let's see. I'm trying to get it where y'all can see. Now look at the design on that. That is really unique. I'm telling you, Melissa, if you're watching this, you are killing it. Look how pretty that is. Just very, very unique. And you know, every week they come out with different jewelry. So there's always something different. What is it? Now, hold on a minute. Is that red or brown? Or orange? That is really cute. I like these. These are more like a fall color. And like I said, very lightweight. Do some videos. Have me some Melissa's jewelry in my ears. Look at the sparkle in them. Can y'all see that? What do y'all think about them? I do like them. I really do. It comes with, like, this is what I was talking about. The necklaces come with earrings. Look at that. So pretty. Almost like a tiger eye, except this is yellow and not brown. Look at how different that is. Ooh, let me feel that. That's like wood. That is wood. That right there is wood, y'all. Now the brown is wood. That is so cool. And then here is the earrings that comes with the necklace. But you can always change it up if you don't like them. Maybe you can leave these on here and give them to somebody else that you would think that liked them. And just put something else that would complement this piece. Big shout out to my cousin Melissa. She did such a great job, and I love every piece that was in the box, and I had so much fun unboxing this with everybody. I hope y'all enjoyed this, and y'all go check out my cousin. She is live Wednesdays and Sundays. She has lots of fun, and I'm going to tell you, she doesn't treat you like customers. She treats you like family. If you're looking for something, she will look high and low for it. All you got to do is let her know. If you're looking for a certain shape, if you're looking for a necklace, earrings, a certain color, just let her know and she will find it for you. Trust me. The holidays are coming up, and these would make great stocking stuffers. Doesn't have to be for just Christmas. It could be for your birthday. It could be for Valentine's Day. It could be a thank you. It could just be a gift to show that you care for somebody or to make somebody feel good. Come hang out with us Wednesdays and Sundays, 7 p.m. Hop on, say hello. Just by saying hello, you get your name put into a drawing. You may be a winner of a free piece of jewelry at the end of the night. Look, y'all, on Sunday nights, if you like bingo, Melissa plays Blingo. Same thing. So much fun. Let her know Tanya sent you. I will see y'all in them lives. Look, y'all, she just doesn't play Blingo. She plays a lot of games. So if you don't have anything to do on Wednesday and Sunday nights, come hang out with us and have lots of fun. Her lives usually is about an hour long. So from 7 to probably about 8, 8:30. Also, if you'd like to check Melissa out, she is Melissa's Jewelry Junction on Facebook. guys, I will see y'all in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this one. Give it a thumbs up, share, comment below which piece you like. I like them all. And I will see y'all in the next. Bye y'all.